Hello everyone and welcome back for next MongoDB's video lecture. Myself Junaid Khan and कहानी अब तक हमने देखा why MongoDB and why not MySQL, then what is MongoDB, history of MongoDB and all instructions, documents, data model, how data is stored in MongoDB, right, and MongoDB through the JavaScript shells and how to install and running commands: create, read, update, delete, database dot collection dot any command. So in today's lecture we will start with creating and querying with indexes. It is common to create indexes to enhance query performance. Fortunately, MongoDB's indexes can be created easily from the shell. First one, creating a large collection. An indexing example makes sense only if you have collection with many documents. As you know, MongoDB is working with a document. Okay, so you will add 2000 simple documents to a numbers collections because the MongoDB shell is also JavaScript interpreter. The following code is to accomplish is simple. Suppose in a collection we are storing 2000 data. For that we are using for loop for I equal to 0, I less than 20,000 and I plus plus bracket open curly bracket open db dot collection means numbers dot save num colon I, and the result is inserted. The following result is inserted in stored in collection in documents to see how many records we have stored, how many documents we have stored. db.numbers.count 2000, and if we want to display means select star from table name, then db.numbers.find. The following result will be displayed. That's a lot of documents, so don't be surprised if the insert takes a few seconds to complete. Once it returns, you can run couple of queries to verify that all the documents are present. Okay, uh, the result is displayed like id object num1 num1 0 1 2 up to 19. At a time 20 output or 20 results will be displayed. Okay, if you want to see more, then we have to type it. Okay, the count function command shows that you have inserted 2000 commands. The subsequent query displays the first 20 results, right? You can display additional results with it command. When you are typing it command, next 20 results will be displayed. Then you have typed again it, then next 20 results will be displayed. Next, range queries. More interestingly, you can also issue range queries using the special functions, right? $GT means greater than, follower LT, right? Greater than and lower than operators. This stands for greater than and lower than, GT and LT. So query for all documents with number value greater than 1995. Okay, 1995, 19,995. So we want to display the number is greater than. So how we will display in SQL? Select number from table name where num greater than 199995, right? So here we are using db.numbers.find bracket open num double quotes में $GT colon 19995. So the following result is displayed. Of we want to display in range means we want from 20 to 25, then we are using greater than and lower than. Okay. Right. Next one, indexing and explain function. If you have spent time working with relational databases, you are probably familiar with SQL's explain, an invaluable tool for debugging or optimizing a query. When any database receives a query, it must plan out how to execute it. It is called query plan. Explain describes query path and allows developers to diagnose slow operations by determining which indexes a query has used. Often a query can be executed in multiple ways, and sometimes this result in behavior you might not expect. Explain. MongoDB has its own version of explain that provides the same service. Okay, so we are running following in our system db.numbers find num greater than 19,995 dot explain execution stats. That means the result should be look like something like we are seeing in a next diagram, right? This is the explanation for execution stat of unindexed query. So what is that? Upon examining the explain function output, you may be surprised to see that the query engine has to scan entire collection, all 2000 documents, okay, docs examine, to return only 4 results, right? Number is greater than 19,995, but for that it has to scan all the documents. The value of the total key examined field shows the number of indexes entries scanned with is 0. Such large difference between the number of documents scanned and the number returned marks this is an insufficient query. In real world situation where the collection and the documents themselves would likely be larger, the time needed to process the query would be greater than the 8 million second. Okay, 8 million seconds. What is collection needs in an index? You can create an index for the num key within the document using create index function. Now try this one. Next command db dot numbers dot create index num colon 1. Okay, so that it creates collections created automatically and the results will display. The create index function method replaces the ensure index function method in MongoDB. If you are using an older MongoDB version, you should use ensure index function. Okay, now okay, now this is the results of execution stat. Okay, now if you run your query with explain function method, then you will now see the dramatic difference in query response time as shown in the following listing, right? db.numbers.find num greater than 1995.explain execution stats. Then this is using num1 index 1 as we created here create index. Then the results is different, only 4 documents scanned, 4 documents returned and much faster. And in this query when we are executing explain execution stat with the explain function, then it will scan all the 20,000 documents. When we created a query like db.numbers.create index, it will display and it is filtered out. Okay, so thank you very much for today's lecture.